Hello, everyone. It's me, and I'm not in the best mood. Would you like to know why? I think I'm starving. I just don't know it. I think I'm starving. My stomach doesn't growl, but I didn't eat since about maybe 3 in the morning. I just came from the doctor's office. I feel a certain kind of way, but my stomach not growling. I just feel like I need to eat. I don't know if this onion has. I just washed it, but it don't look pretty. So I'll throw that in the garbage. Sometimes you gotta cook pretty food. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna just make some salmon in the can. I think it's salmon. Yeah, this salmon because I actually bought it to make it for something else, but since I'm here by myself, I might as well keep it for myself. Yep, keep it for myself. And I'm putting a lot of onion because I'm in the mood for a lot of onion. That's it. Oh my goodness, Coral is not gonna. I don't think she knows this channel. Anyway, Gary, I want to say I'm gonna have to change this the direction of my video because of you. So as you can see, I'm gonna continue to do what my cards I have to do because I need to make sure that I have a record of things that I have on my site. I don't want no problems. I would have surely opened up this if I had remembered. I'm actually gonna go to the store because I was already out there, like I said, but I wanted some corn chips and I didn't get them, so the onion is saying hello. Yes, I love it. Woo. I might cut up like 3 onions tonight and just have it with some mixed vegetables over some rice. I don't know why I like wet rice. Is that strange to somebody? Oh, I didn't know this was like this. Oh wow, I wouldn't have cooked it. Man. But I'm definitely gonna eat it because I gotta that's one thing I am so thankful But I have to rinse my can because I wouldn't be able to eat this if it didn't fall in it. If I had not washed my can, I wouldn't have been able to eat that. Then I would have been mad that I threw my food in the garbage. So it would have been a whole thing in here. I cannot possibly. You know what? I'm going to tell you something, but I'm not going to go to tell you what else and all this other stuff. If you have a cat and you're struggling to feed your cat, this right here. Yes. It smells so good. I'm not a fan of salmon. I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm not. But I do eat it because I do eat it because I found out it has so much goodness in it. And so I do eat it. Excuse me. Did you see who stole my package yesterday on the camera? Thank you. Okay, thank you. I was wondering if they found my package from yesterday. You had a package though? Yeah, I brought your package up. Somebody stole my package yesterday. But I'll be back. I'm recording. Yes, it's my food. Yes. I'll be back. Okay. Yeah. I got a package delivered yesterday. Someone said to go downstairs before it gets stolen. And guess what? It was stolen. And now the super just said he didn't get to find who stole it. But it's okay. I told him, I said, I'm so thankful I believe whoever did take it was in the elevator that was next to the one I was coming down in because I came right downstairs. But I told him, I said, I'm so glad that I didn't find out who it was that took it because I would have really been in a different way. I would have been in a different way. I told him they stole a few of my packages, and if I ever find out it's someone who knows my name, it would make me feel a certain way, and I might react. I don't want to react. So I said, let them have it. I don't know what it was. Hopefully it wasn't a Wayfair's package. And that has a little salt in it already. So I think I'm just going to put in a little bit of Mrs. Dash. Now, you know what? I don't know how they say your seasoning gets a little hard when you cook it, like put it over the thing, but I don't use some of those things that often. It smells good. It smells good. I just love one pot wonders. Yes, I do. Feeling a little nervous. I think I have to eat now. I can't let this cook any longer. I'm feeling shaky and stuff. I think I'm starving. I just don't know. Serve my mind. Yes, boys and girls. Yes. Turn that sucker on. Ooh, I love fish and rice. I don't really like salmon though. I would prefer this with mackerel or sardines. Mm. Oh, mm 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 mm. This food is so good, but I can't even eat no more. Mm. I am so dizzy. I got so angry at the dentist's office, I almost called the channel news, the news company. I went to the head person and everything, but I didn't get all extra and I didn't behave in an untidy manner. It's just I was supposed to have my teeth done today, and they didn't have any of the paperwork. And they said that they didn't know that I had a tooth pulled. And the lady who answered the phone that day, she knew I had a tooth pulled because I told her. That's why I had to wait 6 weeks for the appointment. And then when I get in the office, she acted funny. So I told him, I said, honey, I will go to the top up in here. I said, because that girl knew my tooth was out. I said, because that's why I waited, made the appointment for 6 weeks later. Mm-mm. But of course, you see my shirt. I wasn't going in there acting like no fool. They always say you have to monitor your behavior when you're outside. I'm not going to behave like that. Mm-mm. Don't even think I'm opening my mouth with my missing front tooth.